I'm back. I'm back. I am back. Just getting it all set up now. What up, Dale? Just getting it all set up now. Yo, how'd the lunchtime thing go? Could you even hear me when I was coming on, or you didn't even hear me? Like, did you even hear me when I was on the lunch thing, or no? I was just kind of wondering because I was in my car trying to get in there, and I don't know. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah. I was trying to get on. I don't get it. Boom. Coming on, I heard you when you were what? Yo, what? Yo, discipline. They blocked your comment. Oh no! If I go to live chat to view all, okay, I can see it now. Everyone can see it. Funny shit. Let's do it. How close are you, Del? How close are you to getting paid? Oh, I'm just looking. Still, I'm just setting my tabs up. How close are you? Like, you need like 1,000 more, all but one funded. Ooh, whoo, kid. Oh man, that's solid. I hope big things, Win Rider. I hope big things in a little bit. I hope somebody rubs this market and allows it to go big. What up, DBT? Come on. I know you see my order up there. Come get it. Come get it. Yo, been there plenty of times, Win Rider. And we back, Sovereignty. We back. I see it's hasn't been great. Although I left you guys somewhere around here. Oh, this was the trade. I was here and I said I was going to hold. I ended up getting out. I closed my laptop down and got out. But what's crazy is if I put my stop right here, I would have actually still been in that trade up 30 points. What up, Donna? Dude, this market is freaking just not going anywhere. Uh-oh. More of this LA stuff. Bro, the LA stuff is wild. I don't know if you guys are watching that. Place is getting crazy over there. LA is I don't know if any of you guys live over there, man. Crazy. It'd be cool to pop back out over this shit. Looking for those killbot moves today? Volume is just lacking. Super lacking. Like, yeah, I mean, I don't want to live in Cali personally. The taxes are crazy. It's not for me. Yeah, I mean, I have a feeling gold is going to be wild tonight if you trade gold. Actually, I got to start setting some alarms here. I need some alarms. I'm going to set one on my phone right now. Let's see what we got. Alarms. We got the yeah, forget that, Andy. Yo, I've been talking about silver was going to catch up to gold. Silver might have a parabolic move just like gold did. Dude, I just need that algo candle. I want it to come out the top of my screen. Silver's going for it, baby. Silver. Let's see. SIL. It's going for it. Anyone actually in? Uh-oh. I'm not even going to look at it. Come on. Give me the pop. I feel like I'm trading Asia right now. How is my weekend? What up, Pine? My weekend was pretty good. Pretty good. I don't know what I did. I coached kids sports. My new car came. And I don't know. I did a lot of kid shit, man. A lot of kid shit. If you guys got kids, you know what your weekend. Push it. You know what your weekend is. Kid stuff all day, every day. Dude, why don't you get a shave? I'm probably going to shave tonight. What's crazy was if you looked at my camera earlier, it was closer, and you can really see that I needed a shave. Yo, I got myself a dude, it's a crazy deal, actually. So I bought it used on Carvana. There was only 200 miles on it. Sticker price brand new was 76,000. And I bought it for 43,000. Yeah. Yo, got to shave. I guess crypto is running. My brothers won't stop fucking texting me all day. But yeah. Dude, that camera today was like a close-up. So you could really see I haven't shaved. It was like twice as close. I was like, I didn't even realize how close it was. You want to see me with a full beard? In the wintertime, it gets like that. Like, Baba, like come like November, December, or January, it could get. At my age, I got grays coming in, bro. Nah, Jeep Rubicon. I got a Jeep Rubicon. We could take it to the beach. I could take the doors off. Let my kids are really. We took it for a drive yesterday. It's pretty fun. I couldn't use more than 5 micros on my Fund the Future starter plus funded. Switch to minis, and you might be able to do 5 minis. Switch to minis. See what happens. Bro, just give me this one fucking push and get me out of at least these contracts. Please, please, please. Come on, you could do it. You could do it right now. You could do it. This is my strategy. I actually just talk to the market. And when Apex asks me for my strategy, it's going to be me just talking. I talk to the market. Please, please. Oh, man. Yo, it feels so good to be home, man. I was streaming over there, trading over there, man. It's such a piece of shit. I'm not putting anything on the Jeep. Dude, I just drive it as is. I'm not like a car guy. Honestly, I'm not a car guy. I don't spend much money on clothes. I spend the majority of my money on fun shit, doing shit. Probably just doing shit is what I spend the majority of my money on, besides my kids. The majority of my money just goes to like vacation or like, I don't know, just having a good time in general around. I don't spend it on cars. Could I buy an expensive car? Yeah. Do I want to? No. Yo, cocaine and hookers. I don't know, man. I'm like, I spent money on my house. That's probably the biggest, outside of that, like, I don't really care that much. Dude, I'm just eyeballing this thing, man. This market's got no push. I wish I took my $50. I could tell you that much. I really wish I took my 50. 50K, 50K, 50K. Yo, oh, that's right. Apex is back up to old 80%. I gotta fix that. 50K, 50K, 50K. Let me see what we got going on here. Oh, thank God. Push this. Please. Please. Yo, when Apex asks, I just pray. I just pray. I get in sometimes, I smash an energy drink and say, fuck it. I'm long. That's my strategy. Yo, what up, Corey? Hello, Waldo. Oh, here we go, boys. Come on. Pump it. Get me out. Get me out. Right fucking there. Right there. Come on. You're right. You were literally a tick away. Are you kidding me? Are you not going to grab at least 3 cons? You spun on my Thunder Futures wheel and won some. Nice. Nice. Yo, did you do the thing that you know what you're talking about? Baba, did the thing, you know, the thing you showed me work? The thing that we're not talking about, did that work, Baba? Oh, you stopped it after you won? Suckers! Yo, Baba got that on lock. Oh, jeez, man. That'd have been like, and the winner is Net Baba. And now the winner for this one is Net Baba again. And Net Baba again. Won't throw up any red flags. Good for you, man. Rock it. I ain't seen shit. What is it? Snitches get stitches, man. You won the wheel, but they haven't given you your account. You got to earn it after that. You got to go to one of their parties and earn it. I almost want to get out of this right here. I just got out. Now it's going to run. I just got out for like $70, but now it'll run. Are you going to have to ask them 35 times like you had to ask Patrick for the account for CT? 35 times to get the account? Yo, you gotta bring your Diddy oil, man. Dude, that's why I got out of this. This thing was looking shady. Oh, I'm still in this account though. Ooh. Looks like 3 people from the chat one. Nice. Represent. Time to represent. Boom. What up, Jim? Yo, you got, dude, CT, they don't want to give it to you, man. They don't want to give you that fucking account so bad. Yo, what up, Funded? Yo, you know what? Yo, by the way, anybody that's on here, I meant to ask you, especially you, Andy, are you here? Does anybody have a Ninja Trader strategy that trades the orb in here? You know how like auto trade? Does anybody have a Ninja Trader strategy for the orb in here? Honestly, Funded, I just drove back from out east where I was this morning. Andy, you have 3 of them. Can you message me on Discord what they're called? I wanna try something out that could be really fucking great. But I need one script to kind of manipulate it. Yeah, you don't have to do it now. Tonight, I'm going to play around with it. I was looking for one, and I couldn't find one. And That's where I was at. I found one that maybe worked, maybe not. I didn't load it up. I downloaded it and then I had to leave. I didn't really trade much today, obviously. But if I could turn these green, I really fucked up last night. Last night I had a awesome trade and I messed it up. Yeah, I want to edit it for. Can you edit for different times of the day and not just like the orb? Like, can I make the orb any time of the day and not only NQ but like crude oil or gold or something else? Yo, coin flip, baby. Yeah, Andy. Tonight, shoot me that. Yo, just coin flip the open every morning. Bro, I'd coin flip the I'd do it. Yeah, Andy. Yeah, tonight. That'd be awesome. I'm testing something out. Dude, this is only 5 fucking points. That means when we hit the bottom, we're only like 5 points. Dude, that's crazy. I mean, listen, I'd have some fun with it. Don't have to tease me with a good time. Dude, that's crazy, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Dude, that's like the time I went viral on P Hub. Bro, everyone was calling me white ass for like 3 months. Next time I got a tan beforehand. Oh. Well, best of luck to you, man. Best of luck. Oh, man. Please just fucking pop and get my order. Please. I'm trying to make back this. Come on. Send the link. Dude, I dated a chick that went viral on there ages ago. True story. If I actually showed you, you probably know who she is. True story. Come on. This is the candle that you can at least take me out. At least take me out right here. Come on. 2 more points up. Come on, just like flick it up. Bing. Bing. I don't know what happened to him, Andy. I don't know. Amelia. I didn't meet her on there. I met her just out. But, this was before OnlyFans was big, obviously. This is 2006. Have you and your wife talked about body counts? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yo, maybe Keith's still on the can. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I just got fucking bottom ticked, and now this is gonna go. It's gonna go right up to my fucking thing and not fill me. Oh, push it. Dude, this thing's going nowhere. Come on. I'm looking for just like a 10-point, not even a 10, a 7-point push. Look how long it's taken to go 7 points. What up, Josh? Yo, what up, Corey? Yo, at least you're up money. At least you're up money, right? That's all that matters at the end of the day, Corey, is that you're up. Oh, geez. I just got to. Please be canceled. Please be canceled. Oh, my son's practice might be canceled. Don't have to go. Can finally relax. Oh, yo, same spot for over an hour plus. You ain't kidding. MOC is going to suck. I would not play MOC. Before I would just trade it. I would just close it at the end of the day, Corey. I mean, there's no direction today. I mean, it's some bullshit. Boom, 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 boom. I actually want to get some of these lines a little more filled here. There we go. What up, Kid Poker? Brian Capital. Can someone teach me step by step how to set up a trader copier for my Apex Tradeify accounts? Yeah, dude. You see this button right here? Go to manage groups. Add a group name. And then you just start dragging the accounts over. And then you save, and then you just choose it. That's the free way to do it. I use Replicanto. Sometimes it's Replicanato, but, you know, it works. 60% of the time, it works every time. But yeah, Brian, that's how you do it. Can I show you once more, please, Christopher? All right, everybody that wants to copy trade, this is the free way. I use Replicanto, but if you don't want to pay for Replicanto, you could do this. Scroll down, you go to manage groups. You make a group name, and then you just drag and drop your groups. All good, man. That's what this is about helping people out. About helping you out. One more time. I know you're joking around. You can just fucking rewind the video and watch one of the 2 times. Yeah, so when you go to trade, if you want like 3 contracts in every account, you gotta go bigger in it. Yeah. That's why, Kelly, that's why I like Replicanto. Replicanto is cut and dry. Whatever you do in the lead account goes in all the other accounts. I don't have to start doing math on like, all right, I got 5 accounts. I want to do 4. I'm just like, not for me. Yeah, you can't use ATM. Also, you could use ATM if you use Replicanto. So if you're feeling frisky and it's Saturday night and you want to pull an ATM, they don't allow you to do that on Tradeivy. You know, you gotta be on Replicanto to do an ATM order. Trust futures, you're short. Well, if you're in early, it's might pay off. I love watching ATM. Dell, you I didn't know you copy trade using the managed groups. What about free longs? Dude, free longs is special. We can't be talking about free longs. Bro, whatever happened to that guy? I think that guy's dead. The free long guy? That guy just went MIA. Too many free logs. What's ATM code? You should put it in Google. Type in ATM video. See if they show you. See if they show you it. Sean killed him. What up, Hid? Yeah, man, we're doing pretty good. I didn't really trade that. Oh yeah, use Urban Dictionary. You got to use a reputable site. Definitely have to use a reputable site. Sean killed him. Yo, I don't know what happened to him. He was free longing all the time. What up, McDaddy? And then he just went MIA. It's so weird when I go back and look at all the people. Like you could see all the people that ever been on the stream, and like some people you just never see ever again. Yo, they already had the China talks, Kid Poker. They both said the other guy didn't go with the agreement, and then they agreed to talk again. Trump invited him to the U.S. He invited Trump to China, and then they left. That was like what happened. Yo, I hope you got out of your short, man. They just ripped it 20 points against you. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. This week, too, there's no news tomorrow. There's nothing tomorrow. You have CPI on Wednesday at 8:30, and then you have PPI on Thursday. The market should pick up on Wednesday. Dude, I don't want to go through another day like this. Otherwise, we're going to have to start doing some fun shit, more fun shit. Time to DCA. I actually don't know, to be honest with you. Yo, you want to play GeoGuessr? Yeah. I showed the planet Uranus. And then I did a dad joke and then rage quit the stream. Do a nutsack race. Dude, I love the ball sack race, man. I wish the ball sack race you could do 100 people. It's only 6 people. Yeah, I don't know about Topstep on funded accounts, Brandon. I will say I've tried it a couple of times on evals, and Topstep has messed up doing bracket trades. So I'll just give you that. Out of all the firms I've had problems with, I've had the most problems with Topstep when doing those trades. Just to throw it out there. What's up, Mara? Load all bots first, then orb 2 bot. Do they work off of each other? Is that what the deal is? Top slop? Some sloppy toppy? Yeah, Tony pushed it right back up to this imbalance. Honestly, I'm curious if they just push it back down. I only say that because, look, kind of just seems, for the most part, not the wicks, but the closing candles have all kind of just following along. Yo, I'll hook it up, Andy. I'm going to hook it up tonight. I'm fucking holding this. I just want to see if it breaks the trend, because the trend line is basically to the downside. Yeah, I'm going to try setting it up tonight, Andy. Thanks for helping me out, though. I figured you had the answer. I was talking about it last night, actually, and I was thinking to myself, Andy probably has the answer to what I'm looking for. And then I saw you on. I was like, he's definitely got it. Oh, man. $30 days you could pass an eval. We're doing what? We're using the Orbot? Orbot it? I'm not using it for that, to be honest with you. I got something I want to try. I want to test. I'm just trying to test something out personally. I might set it to play like London or like times that I'm not in front of the computer to see what happens. Dude, this is call grandma and tell her to mark her card. I mean, if we can get down to 56, I'm going to move my stop to break even. I just want to see us get under here, under 59. Go to BE. What up, Nathan? Just flash dump it down. Dump it. Let me go to break even. I want to see you go down at least 55. I'm just moving down on the top of the candles. If I get taken out, I get taken out. Like, whatever. Shit's slow. I think I got $30-something. What up, Maria from jail? If you guys didn't know, Maria's in jail right now, contacting us. Cell block E. Robert Rod. I think we revisit the top before end of the day. Possibly. I'll be honest with you. Any big volume comes in either way, you're going to get a move. Inmate 69. I wonder if we're setting up for the same play as we did 3 times last week. Squeeze shorts to the last hour of the day and then grind down. Absolutely shoot up at 350 at 355. Maybe. Listen, anything's possible on low volume. Love it. Oh. What do they got you in jail three times a week? The other 2 times they got you on a ankle monitor? Is that how it works? What's up, Quant? Four times in jail. 4 times in. Nah, she's in jail. She beat up her husband for not taking the garbage out. Yep, he didn't take the garbage out, and then he didn't want to do the dishes, so she beat him up. True story. That's what happens. Better do the dishes at home, boys. Oh, must be in Florida. Jeez. Better take that garbage out. Don't make me ask twice. It's actually breaking the trend right here. I mean, listen, this is not some good setup. Yo, he's never going to learn if you don't teach him. That's awesome, Andy. These days, a lot of cases here in India are couples going on a honeymoon and the woman with the... Damn, Baba. Yo, Trump speaking. Trump is speaking right now. Dude, that's crazy that you lost them to non-use. Come on. So I hope he says something wild. I have a question, Cove. You can ask me, Maria. What's up? Oh. Going for 61 paid accounts. That'd be nice, Andy. Super nice. I mean, it didn't really rally. I mean, we're up 7 points. 7 points isn't really like a rally. Remember the days of 30-point 1 minute candles? Yeah, I know. I knew somebody was going to say that when I bought. I just kept clicking the button. I didn't really trade much, Kaba. I was busy this morning. I didn't really trade a whole lot, and this is pretty much where I'm at. Andy Sky. Does Apex really pay people if you follow their rules? Yes. Don't read everything that you see on the internet. The internet tells you a lot of stuff, man. They tell you to eat blue waffles. They tell you all types of stuff. Just follow the rules and you get paid. Dude, I would not try prop shop trader has not paid one person out yet ever in the entire life of the prop shop. I'm probably not using them. Yeah, I'm not using a prop firm that I want to make sure I get paid. I'm not using a prop firm that's never paid anybody out in their life personally, and that has the same rules of fast track trading. I don't know. I'm good. I like the people that I know pay people. You know, I want to see people getting paid consistently without the rules of the prop firm changing for like, I don't know, at least 3 months. Yeah. Listen, if you're looking for an account, I would use Take Profit Trader or My Funded Futures. Those are the top two that I use. Your Apex account got locked after losing 2,500 in one day. But I was always above 50K. It was Apex on trade. My question is, yeah, you hit your drawdown. Yeah, David, let the prop firm be around for a couple months. Let them pay people. Make sure they're not changing rules. Was that the first time I had an issue with Kellyanne? I mean, I don't have an issue with her. If a prop firm pops up today and they're brand new, how can I tell my users or people that follow me to go use them when I've never been paid by them? How do I know they're going to pay anybody? How do I know they're going to pay anybody if I've never been paid by them? How can I give you a fucking review of a company if I never got paid by them? Dude, she got dumped on by that other guy. Dude, the prop firms are like, by the way, all right, so this is the drawdown. You got to click on this and see where it says drawdown. This is the number you got to watch. And what happens is it's basically the height of your account. Whatever the highest total of your account was ever at, your trailing drawdown moves up by it. Yo, definitely not, Garen. I'm just saying, like, let the prop firm be open for a couple months. Like, you know, you can't tell people, oh, use my code, but caution, I don't know anything about it. Like, that's not really like, you know, you're telling people to put their hard-earned money into something that you don't even know is good. So I would just wait. Yeah, on trailing drawdown is not to let the contracts really move around that much. You just kind of take profits. And then once you're over the buffer, then you can kind of work it differently. Yeah, caution, but use my code. Yo, DBT, caution, but use my code. Yeah, how can you review something if you've never went through the whole process of it? How do I know how they pay? Like, I've never gotten paid by them. If you've never used the full product, how can you review something? I just don't understand. Yeah, Josh, that's been around for a while. I don't know. I don't follow him or anything, to be honest. Oh, use all the free ones? Yeah. DBT, I'll review it. I'll just tell you, hey, this is a new prop firm. I'm buying one account. Use my code. I don't know if they pay you because I've never been paid by them. I don't know anything really about them because they're brand new, but make sure to use my code. And hopefully you guys get paid. And that's it. I'm going to start telling everybody that. Oh, and caution, it's a new firm, but who knows? Yo. That's crazy, Andy. I didn't know that. He had a lot of good stuff. He had a lot of good stuff. I just find it so funny how people think if they switch prop firms, they're going to become more profitable. It's like the prop firm has no. If you use a different prop firm, you're not going to become more profitable. But a lot of people think that. It's so people 98% of the time they'll talk about switching prop firms, and 2% of the time they actually talk about, hey, what about this indicator? What about this strategy? People should be talking about strategy 98% of the time and propfirm 2% of the time. That's how it really should go. Personally. Yeah, he's got a lot of good stuff. I think it's all Ninja Trader based. Yeah, I think it's all Ninja Trader based. I think that's the Project X that does it code. I think it's anybody that uses Project X. I feel like it's the software. Now, I don't know, but I almost feel like it's something in the back end that you can just like add where, you know, give a 1 tick or 2 tick slippage every time. It almost feels that way. Well, I use his 1 in balance on Tradeify. That's what these red and green lines are. This is all his Tradeify stuff. He's definitely yeah, I've never used the other things, to be honest with you. I've only used the Ninja Trader stuff. I know he has a lot of stuff. I got to get water, but yeah, he's got a lot of stuff in there. Pretty good stuff too. Oh, you know what I need to make? I need to make a cost of funding document I've been meaning to make. And it'll show you all prop firms and the cost of funding based on passing 1 in 3, 1 in 4, 1 in 5 evals. Indicators that I really like. I mean, do you have TradingView, Carl? Do you use TradingView? I would say that. Like, if you have TradingView, let's see if they have any juice behind this fucking move. If you have TradingView, I would recommend like order blocks, breaker blocks. Come on, I want to see you push all the way up to 77. So this, I have the orbs here. So this got messed up because I was fucking, I definitely use everything on here. I had to reset my computer. Actually, I didn't reset my computer. The power went out. Power went out. So basically my computer reset. I use order blocks and breaker blocks, fair value gaps, pivots, the orb. Like this would be my number one setup page right here, what you're looking at. What up, Flip? 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 But yeah, this would be everything I like right here. And you can see these. And then when I go to other tabs, see how they're all the same now because my computer just reset. I got to reset this up. This one is good to have on also, and I'll show you why. This is called Spaceman BTC key levels, and it's all previous day high, previous month, London high, New York open. It's all the opens, highs, and lows. So I like this to be on a tab. I got to reset all this stuff. Like I said, my computer reset. So that's the deal. I got to reset it up tonight. I have like 5 different tabs that I like, so I work off of. So oh, dude, today is just choppy. Jeez. Choppy action today. Flip is almost at a payout. Yo, Flip, how much more money you need to make? Yeah, Carl, anytime. Anytime you got questions, Carl, feel free to ask. That's what this is about. I also have a video on this thing about a bunch of indicators I use. It's if you go to my channel and just search indicators, you'll see it. But yeah, this would be my number one screen. Orbs, pivots, fair value gaps, order blocks, and breaker blocks. I used to have this up too. I don't know where the fuck. Oh. I would have VWAP on this. VWAP better not be blue, green. I don't know why it's green. The fuck? Oh, VWAP is all the way down here. Yeah, I take the bands off. And then I use where's all my EMAs? Oh, indicators. And then I have my 200, my 34. I gotta recheck everything. What up, Amir? Bodine? Ace is in here. Yo, what up, Alfred? F1 Racing Gas? Who else we got in here? Xanax is in here. Corey. Prelum. Are we finally making a move to the downside here? What up, Lee B? It'd be nice to flip these things freaking green. Flip, flip, flip. What up, Palooza? Enchanted. Just trying to trade the choppy markets here. The chop is real. Chop is real. What's up, Pete? I mean, this is like Joseph. What's up, Joseph? NQ been bouncing off that previous month high chop to probably close. Let me see what we got. That's 859. What do you think? We're going to end up or down? Kind of just following, kind of about, roundabout. What's up, Kaba? Closed already? It's been open for like 5 minutes. Where have you been? It's been open. It's been open. Gold dump until close. It'll probably be open again later on. Closes automatically. Boom, 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 boom. Man, this thing's like, you have to tell loud. I was watching but not reading. Okay, I'll let everybody know next time it's open. Oh, we're right at the 200, just hanging. Feels so weak. Part of me wants to go short and like stop out at like 84 and just hold short. Yeah, trust futures. I kind of want to do the same. I feel like I can't get in here, though. I feel like I should have got in like 15 points ago. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, man, this fucking market's killing me today. Trust futures, are you hanging in there for the last, like, 45 minutes? You're still holding? I'm debating on whether to get in and stop out at 85. 85 is literally only 35 points above. Like, it's not super high. It's not like I'm all the way up and like another like 50 points or 80 points. Just watching. Yo, you guys that are on here, you guys like the streaming during lunchtime on the Discord, by the way? Yes, no, maybe. Yo, Elmi, you missed it. It'll be open later on at some point. Trump is in Q&A. Do you guys like the lunchtime trading, the live trading on the Discord, by the way? Oh, Dell was doing it today. Yeah. All right. Good old Dell. Dell's up a ton today. Man. You've been here? Nice. Yeah. Dude, Andy, they're changing rules like they keep changing rules. Yeah. I agree with you, Trust. Yo. I feel like this is just gonna give it up and we're gonna go all the way down. Dude, I'm trying to set this stuff up. Oscar Green, we bouncing? I can see that. We in the green zone. I like the green zone. Who doesn't like the green zone? There we go. Yo, Brandon, are you in California, Brandon? Tell me you're in California. Dude, it's probably wild right there. Damn, dude. Can you leave your house? Like, what's it like? When you go to leave, is there just fucking people like in the streets? Have you been shot by the cops yet, Brandon? I'm just taking fucking. Food trucks are all closed. Bro, they're like shooting people with like pellets or something. Non-lethal pellets. I mean, I feel like California shit always happens over there. No, Baba. Eventually they come in with like at some point they come in with like all geared up and then they squash it all. That's what usually happens. You know, either the military comes in or you know, they'll start shooting those I've ever seen it, but those rubber bullets at or they'll have the box that has the rubber bullets in it. You hit a button, and this box shoots like I don't know, like 150 rubber balls out. Bro, you do not want to be near one of those. Yeah, they just have chosen not to break it up yet. But when they want to break it up, they'll break it up. Yeah, Dell, the rubber balls, they use it for large crowds to protect an area, and it shoots out of the box and it spreads so everyone can get some. If you ever watch Jackass, they all get shot in Jackass with it. They all test it out in Jackass and they get shot. You look like Google it, like Jackass rubber bullets, and they see what it does to you. Yo, yeah, nah, that's one. Imagine getting hit with like 5 at a time. Yo, yeah, you saw that Jackass episode? Yo, I'll tell you what. I wonder how long they let it go on for. They'll let it go on for a little bit, and then eventually they'll squash it. Dude, that's crazy, Baba. 3.5 inches? I guess you could do damage with 3.5 inches. So I'm gonna just take a fucking shot here. This is just a shot. Yo, definitely not gonna work well in Texas. I'm lowering my stop down. I'm short right now. I'm in short currently. I want to see it actually come down to like 29. I would probably take $80 though. Like we come down and test this wick, maybe this. Come on, one big fucking. Maybe sell half right here. I'm going to move my stop down. I'm just letting you know. What I don't want to do is it ricocheted up and I get fucking pulled out. Like, I want to make some money off this. I know it's not much, but what I don't want to happen is they reverse this and it comes back up and trades back to like 58 or 60. So I think I took $30. What you're not getting is that flush candle. Like, they're not just flushing it down like one of these jobs where you just let loose. What was that? 15 points let loose. Like that's what I'm looking for is like I want it to push down. They're just not letting it push down. They're kind of just keeping it up here. Stretching. By the way, if you want to enter the duck race, you got to be subscribed to the channel. I'm just letting you know. Yo, you got 2 inches of straight venom. Bro, I do that whole Elon Trump thing is just fucking funny. The whole thing is just funny. I think it's 10 trust, and that's just to keep people from signing up like 30 accounts and just coming and signing up over and over and over again. That's why we do it. Am I going to jump back in here? Y'all, tight stop. Just flush it. Just let it fucking go. I hate that it keeps wicking down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it keeps wicking. Like, give us a push. Give us one big push. I see that it's on. See, it's on this breaker. That's the one thing I'm not like. We'll just say I'm not loving the fact that we're sitting here on this breaker. Obviously, this is going to be support zone. I love the volatility, man. That's where you make all the money. T-Mobile 5G home internet? No. I'm just getting out. This thing's just fucking chopping. I do not have 5G home internet. No. I didn't know they had home internet. How's that sound? And why is it 5G? I thought it was just like Fios or cable, like cable or what's the other one? Fiber optic. I don't know what isn't 5G just wireless? Like, would you need a box at that point? It desires it. 838. I would love it to go down. It's just not moving. What up, Geronimo? Heard it sucks. I mean, is it wireless? It's cell-based internet? I'm out on that. I'm out. $35 a month for 5 years? I bet it's slow as shit, though. I don't know. I just feel like my cell phone's not that fast. See, ask her if you can get rid of it after a month. I feel like I want to be hardwired. Just feels weird. It's really a hot spot. Yeah, like, dude, my hotspot. I remember when I was streaming off that hotspot. It sucks. Next thing you know, you're going to be on Mint Mobile internet. You're paying $80 for Cox? I'm not even going to go there. But anyways, I don't even. All we have is Verizon or Cablevision by me. I'm on Verizon fiber optic. I got 1G, whatever that means. Yeah, somebody clipped that. Yo, I mean, I was just reading it. The offers through Mint Mobile. You got 2Gs? I don't know. 1G works for me. $15 a month for unlimited. I mean, it sounds good. One Sin City. What's up, man? Frostic, free Diddy, baby. I'll be honest with you. I've been reading some of the updates. Like, some of the girls are hitting them up, being like, yo, when are we doing the next party? Like, hard to prosecute the guy if the girls are hitting him up asking about when the next party is. I mean, some of the shit was wild, though. But it's crazy. I have a feeling. So I got this weird feeling that it's like a hung jury is what I think happens. Listen, do I think he was doing some wild shit that he shouldn't be doing? Yeah, probably shouldn't have been videotaping people. But it's just interesting that people were texting him about meeting up and stuff. It was real. Very hung jury. He needs OJ's legal team. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen, man. It's going to be real interesting. Look at this thing. Just. There you go. $80 up. Smash it. Yo, if the baby oil ain't slick, you must acquit. Bro. Of course, now they're dumping it. They had to push it up one last time. I'm not playing MOC today. I can tell you that right now, CT. I'm out on that. I will play 4 o'clock though. You'll see me play 359 and the one right after that. Yo, Trust pays the doctors, boy. Bro, Justin Bieber said nothing ever happened. Yo, we went nowhere at all, Dell. Yo, have you ever seen that guy that does the reel? He's like, what made you think, that I knew what was going on or that anything was going on? And then you hear his songs and it's a white rapper and he's rapping about Diddy. That shit was hysterical. I'm going to try setting up some auto trades in my I'm gonna try setting up some auto trades in my Ninja Trader tonight on certain, like on the opening range trade, a couple trades. I'm gonna see if I can do it in. I'm gonna see if I can do it inside Ninja Trader and have it trade for me, kind of. Yo, Darrell rebuild you through the wazoo. I got rebuild on $16 accounts, which I don't care, but I mean, that's fine. Tired. Damn, I'm just looking at this stuff. All right, it's coming down. Came all the way back. All the way down. Nothing can stop us. Come on. Look at the stochastics on desktop versus web 15. That's weird that that's different. I only use Ninja for copy trading. Dark Hive Games. What's up, player? Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream, Dark Hives. Dark Hive. Okay, yeah. Not hives. Doesn't have hives. Just Dark Hive. You're about to use the 5-second chart. Super. Dude, my settings were fucked. I just saw something. My settings were fucked on my chart. Oh, that sucks. Yo, I still gotta change that shit to not pirate stuff. Still meant to do that. Boom, 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 boom. Can someone, yo, you'll get 2 points, trust. Come on. It's crazy because I was in short and now here's the dump I was looking for. This is the exact dump I was looking for. So fucking ridiculous. That was my old games development company, YouTube. I don't use it. Oh, that was you, Scotsman? Look at that shit. I am here. Fucking dump it, man. Just unload it. There we go. I'll just hang right there. It's Chrisman trying to rig it. Come on. Let's go. Just give a quick flash dump, get my orders, and then bounce back. Come on. Come on, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Psh, 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 psh. Come on. We're almost there. Almost there. You can do it. Is PW the best trader on YouTube? No. Bro, the guy doesn't even show you his account numbers. Dude, what is going on? I need to set all this stuff up from being gone today and my computer resetting. I'm fucking missing out on this thing. I gotta set up my whole shebang. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Come on. Keep going down. Keep going down. I'm not playing an MOC. I have no account to play it in that I want to, and I hope that we come down, touch this, and then bounce. MOC is where crime happens. Dude, I'm playing the drift later on. I'm going to play some shit. I just don't. I don't have an account to play it in. I don't think it's going to be that good. I just don't think it's going to be that good. The volume has been super low today. And the one day I don't fucking do it. There you go. The one fucking day, bro. That was as clean as you can get it. That was super fucking clean. All right, I'm back tomorrow doing it. I'm back tomorrow. I'm back. We're doing MOC tomorrow again. That was so fucking clean. Oh, that was so fucking clean. Oh, that's crazy. Super clean. Look at that shit. Look at that. Motherfucker. Watch. I bet you it sells completely off. Watch. Watch it sell all the way back down. Watch. Watch it sell completely off. Come on. Sell it. Sell it. Just dump it. Just dump it off. Come on. You're right up in this order block, and I want to see a rejection and then come back all the way down to 820. See? Tag it and then come back down to 820-ish per se. Let's see what happens. Come on. Dump it. It just feels like, listen, this is a feel. I've seen this shit happen where it goes up on MOC on days like this, and then it just kind of fills the gap, comes back down and just fills it. That's kind of what I'm playing. Where we pop, there's no follow through, and now we come back down and we basically fill this gap. I'm going to break even because I don't want to get stuck. Oh, shit. Well, come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Just keep fucking dumping. Come on. Keep fucking dumping. Keep dumping. Told you guys. Keep dumping. Got him. Oh. I had my stop tight because I didn't want to lose it. But I pretty much, I don't know, kind of flat on the, look at that. Look at that. Kind of flat on the day now. You know, $50 is nothing. $50 is kind of nothing. Yeah. That was solid. Could wait all, oh, holy shit. Look at that. Bro, that thing just ripped it. Somebody's face just got ripped off. Watch, they're going to sell this too. Watch them sell this all the way back down. I'm not taking it because I already made my money back, but it just feels like let's see. Daddy can pay some bills, baby. Oh, it happens, man. It happens. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Come on, baby. Market closes in 3 minutes. What's up, a better me? Yeah, I mean now you're getting the algos just pushing it around all over the place is what you're getting. Up 500 on 5 Tradeify accounts. Nice. One more to go. Better not suck. I got 2 more to go, CT. I'm going to try 2 more. Damn, Code. How close are you? Can we review? I'm going to play the 359 candle break. I'm going to play it right here. I got 2 minutes. Two minutes. Yo, Ray, jeez. I think we're going to go down. Let's go. We got less than 2 minutes. Should have kept your buy orders. I know, Josh. What's crazy is it would have bounced. I would have gotten easily 10 points. It is what it is. I'm going to play right here. I'm going to be back tonight, probably trade a little bit in the Discord if anyone's around. DCA Ray. Okay. Bro, this is a pretty big fuck. Oh, no, it's not that big, but. Not loving it. I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it. Dude, that's a pretty big fucking candle, though. Oh, they're going to bounce this bitch right up. That's not in the trade plan, boys and girls. Did that fucking just miss me by a tick? What is that shit? Look at that. Are you shitting me? I'm getting out because it's dangerous. Oh, I would have gotten fucking filled too. Oh, you pieces of shit. Yo, I would have got it. Dude, it's dangerous to the downside now. I'm out. I mean, I made my money back. I got this one here. Let's see. I got a. Let's see if they bring it back up. They break over this and bring it back. Come on, baby. You got out early? Me too, Monet. I got out too early. I had some premature cellulation. I might take this though. $400, 375. Just freaking. I was not terrible of a close. I should have held for the full points. Honestly, I should have just fucking held. I could have gotten an extra. It would have only been an extra $80 in each account, but it would have looked better because it all would have been like $160. Yo, patient trader. Nice move. Is my Discord free? Yes, everything I do is free. One Sin City. I don't charge you for anything. Discord is free. Hanging out on the stream is free. Asking me questions is free. Everything I do is free. It's a community. It's there's a lot of people here that you can learn from, have some fun. We talk a lot of shit, have a good time and make money. That's what it's about. So, damn, Flip, locked in another day towards payout. Nice. Yeah. The link to the Discord is in the description of this video if anyone's not in. Also, if you want to join the free accounts that we give out pretty much every day, you got to subscribe to the channel. You can't enter without subscribing. So just so you guys know. Doing pretty good. I am going to be trading later on. I'm going to be trading gold later on. I'm going to go between now. I think I got to go coach my kid. I coach kids baseball. I'm going to coach at 6, but when I get back, I'm going to play gold. Price just died. Dude, I would just say, like, I know what you're looking at. I mean, you would have to get it under 800, right, Dell? Dell, right? Your order's down here under 800 or way up here at. I just feel like you're way, like how today played out at the end, you're just pretty far. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be honest with you. Even if you got under 800, it might wick and come right back up on you. Like, you can get smoked out. Yeah. You can definitely get smoked out. Like, for you, you'd almost want it to break to the upside. But if it trades from here all the way up, do you want to get in at 25, 15, 20 points up? I don't know. The move was the way I do it was the move for today, at least. Oh, man. Being the fact that it's hanging out under here, under this blue line, which I think is it's definitely the orb, was it orb top, leads me to believe you're going to go south. You got to stick to the rules. Are you 402 also, Sean? Are you 402? I would say if I just told everybody to Grinch. I just told everybody to change their passwords. Yeah. Let's see. I might just. The problem, BK, is now the volume starts drying up. I'll play it in this account, right? I don't know who. One of them got hacked. Somebody got hacked. Somebody got hacked. No one's going to say it's them. I don't like when it takes like this. I told everybody not to click on the emails and just go straight to the platform and change your email and change your password. Don't click on any emails, man. I'll risk it. This is not a funded account. This is just an eval, and this eval is down. So yeah, don't ever click on an email. Just go right to the site. Always just go to the site, man. Don't ever click on an email because emails can be spoofed. You don't want to click on a spoofed email. I'm actually just gonna. I'm gonna take this. Boom. Got it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what exactly happened. You know, me, yeah, I flipped. I flipped all green. That except for one eval that was down 1,200. It's only down 600. 600 is nothing. Hold on one second. I just got to open this door. Hold on one second. Apparently, there's an office close to Topstep that got access to their network. Whatever. I'm not worried. I will be back trading though tonight. Yo, I already set it in my phone. We're gonna be locked and loaded. Locked and loaded. I am ready to freaking roll. What up, Jim Blab? Oh man. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get the bottom. I don't think it's gonna play out for you, Del. I am playing kind of Asia, I guess. Somewhere after 8 o'clock on gold, probably. That's probably what I'm going to do is 8 o'clock or on. I'm going to play gold. I'm going to test out some gold strategies, maybe. I don't know. I got a couple things written down I want to play with. So I'm going to play with that tonight. Yo, I should be up 500. Scotsman, I should have been up all these green accounts. I was copy traded. They should have been up $500 each today. Yeah. I'm pissed, man. I'm pissed. I'm coming back with a vengeance, like Die Hard. Yeah. Coming back hard. Hard. I am yeah. We'll see what happens. Listen, I'm gonna risk $500. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, I gotta make back $500. So whatever. I could. Oh, yo, Del, are you in? Yo, did you guys get in? Tell me you guys got in at 800. Tell me you got in at 800. That's balls if you did it. I took the 4 p.m. heavy. Why? It hit. It hit. We hit already. I'm not in, Maria. I'm not playing it. I'm just wondering if these guys took the 800 break. You got to play by the rules, the high table rules. I'm just wondering if you guys took it or not. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm not taking it. So they made you lose money? Why, Del? Did you just play this? You're only down 5 points. Scotsman, you're in long. Oh. I was in and they liquidated. Why'd they liquidate it? Who liquidated it? Dude, you can't trade my funded futures after 410, dude. Yeah, my funded futures, you can't after 410. You didn't know that? Yeah, the end of day is 410 for my funded futures. Yeah, dude. Yo, if you did that yeah, my funded futures will close your account if you're in it after 459. Yo, Del, you would have gotten paid. Look at it too. Look. Yo, I bet you I bet you Sean is in it right now. I know Sean. Sean's in it right now. Yeah, yo, Take Profit Trader will fail you if you don't get out by 4:59. Sean's in it. I know he is. I could sense it. I could sense that Sean is in right now, and he's sweating it because it almost got his take profit twice probably, and he's there screaming at the computer. Right? He's in. Oh, Josh, that's brutal. That's rough, man. That's super rough. Nah, you don't fail. My Fund of Futures just sells you out. Yo, I could tell Sean is nowhere. Can I at Sean? Let's see if he's in here. Oh, Sean's in here. He's quiet. He's in. He almost got taken out for a profit. And he's watching it right now. He's like, yo, we're going to drop now. Dude, you're looking good if you can get right back. Just drop it one time for everyone that's in it. One time. I'll tell you what, whoever played we got paid. We got paid after hours. It's not in this account, but yeah, look. 813 and down. Boing. Woo, baby. It looks like it wants to let it go. We'll do the account giveaway 1 minute. I'm going to set up the ducks right now. The ducks. The ducks. By the way, if you're new, if you want to join the duck race to try to win an account, you got to be subscribed to the channel. We stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. And if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do this every day. Also, our Discord is free. The link is in the description of the video. Oh, by the way, dude, check this out. Oh, dude, that's not looking good. Dude, this is what they're running now. By the way, only because you're talking about my funded futures, dude, they're doing 25% off resets and evals. If you have an eval, if you're going to buy an eval or resets, it's 25% off right now. Coupon code COVETRADER. This is the deal on my funded futures this week. That's pretty fucking good, though. 25% off resets and evals. You can only buy 3, though. It excludes starter accounts, though. Look. Excludes starter. So it can't be starter accounts. Yeah. But look, if you were on the stream in the morning, you have a 1 in 17 chance to get to the championships here. Your odds are pretty high if you're on the morning stream. There's no activation fee, Josh. My Funded Futures has 0 activation fee. What other schmucks do you have to beat? It's now one. It's one-on-one after this. After that, it's one-on-one. 1v1. Bro, I don't know what the fuck happened here. Dude, I wouldn't be holding now. It broke to the upside. You guys are wild if you're holding. Yeah, 800's holding. 800's holding. Yo, look at this, because you guys talked about AT&T 5G. Now we have an AT&T 5G ad. I've never been to I never even been to the website. We just talked about it. Now that we talked about it, I'm getting an ad about it. That's crazy. Flip's in here. I'm almost positive Flip's in here. Flip, you in here, Flip? Flip. Flip. The fuck is that? Flip. Flip. I'm here. What up, Rippin' Dippin'? Oh. There you go. Bro, you guys are fucking doing great. Uh-oh. Oh, dude, this is dead even. Oh, no. Look, Kevin, you got it. Yo, Flip, you better fucking bounce on that thing harder next time. You better bounce harder. Dude. Shoot me an email. Oh, man. Oh, geez, guys. Flip, got to train that bounce game. NASDAQ should dump back. Dude, I want to see NASDAQ dump, man. NASDAQ really needs to dump. All seriousness, like, it kind of feels like you have a kind of like a rising wedge here where we can still trade in here and then it's going to dump down. That's what it feels like to me. We're almost at all-time highs. All-time highs are only 600 points away. Later, code. Yeah. All-time high is 600 points. It's crazy how worried people were in the beginning of April. And literally we've done nothing but go up. Literally just shot up since April. Look at that. Wah. Yeah. Crazy. I mean, you could see, I mean, this was the break, but I know people have talked about it. I mean, what people don't realize is like we can just trend up kind of like this for ages. I mean, that's how the market used to be. It used to be one, like this is pre-COVID. You can just kind of see like you just kind of trend up like little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Like, look, this is how it went for years. Look at it. Just trending. Dip, bought back up. This is all it was. It was just kind of like just a trend, you know? The reason the market goes up, if you think about it, is people keep dumping money into it. Think about it. Everyone, you know, people have drips from their salary that puts money into it. You know, I mean, they were back here. Like, you know, this is for years. You're just kind of trending up. I mean, this was 2008 crash. And then after that, it's just kind of trended up. I mean, that's only like that's a 20% correction. I mean, look how controlled it's been, and then look where it is now. Like honestly, it's gotten a little out of fucking hand. Like the market has tripled. The market's tripled since COVID. I mean, pre-COVID, at the peak, market's more than doubled. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. The moves are definitely more violent now. Do you think I don't know what caused it, to be honest with you. Yeah, Josh, pretty much. That you know, I would say that obviously has something that could play out. There's a lot to it. There's definitely a lot. A lot of things could happen. This China trade thing isn't set, by the way. If China and the US, if China and the US do not come to some type of agreement, I mean, it's going to come back down. I can tell you that right now. We get in a trade war with China, you're going to see it back down. 1,000%. I think the Fed's selling currently. Oh man, I am exhausted. Exhausted. I mean, we had a pretty good crash. It's all gonna be around this whole China thing. Yeah, I don't know, Scotsman. I just know that yeah, you could definitely wipe out 30% of the market in what was it, like a week or two? It's a couple weeks. What did we dump in? We went from a month and a half. We took away 30% of the market. Crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. I would I would say that I would probably that's the number one thing that I'd be looking at is um the US China thing. What up, Fred? Yeah, I don't know if they're going to allow that loophole though. They might say because it's from Timu and they're a Chinese company that they're going to get taxed the Chinese rate. Just throwing it out there. Timu got smashed on earnings. PDD is the stock that owns Timu, and they got crushed, like crushed. Um, yeah, damn. Yeah, they're the ones that own it though. I don't know. They had earnings and got absolutely demolished on earnings. It's at $100. I think it was at like a 130 at one. It was earlier this year. It was at 130. It's at 100 now. Oh man. Well, Nvidia lost a ton of money when they put the chip thing on. Um, when they did the chips for China, they lost a ton of money. So that's one to watch out for that can take a beating if Trump turns that back on. Like Trump decides to do that, Nvidia could take a pretty big hit. It was a large hit too. Uh, yeah, country of origin tariffs. There's a lot of things, man. A lot of things you got to watch out for. It's going to be interesting. The big thing is like they keep meeting. I think he pushed it off to what, August? End of August 31st is the deadline now. When we start getting to like July, I would say watch out because if there's not progress, Trump can't keep pushing the deadline because it makes him look weak. So eventually he's going to have a hard stop on this deadline. He's already pushed it what, once or twice. He can't keep pushing the China deadline, and if he does, it just looks bad. So I think at some point he's going to hold, and if August 31st is the hold date, I would wait till we get into July, and if you don't start seeing some movement, I would watch out. I would definitely watch out. I don't know if they're rooting for the company, but like NVIDIA has a stronghold on the whole thing. So you're kind of in you're in a thing with NVIDIA. It's kind of it is what it is, right? Like they're the chip company. Yeah, I don't think they're going to cut rates, Scotsman. Personally, I don't think you're going to get any rate cuts. I mean, they sell out. They sell outside of America already. I think. I think if the U.S. and China doesn't come up with something, it's going to be real interesting. I mean, they could have terrible reviews, but everybody's using them. I mean, I imagine they're using them for a reason. I don't know what the deal is. I don't video game, but they're all using them. It seems like the go-to chip. I don't know who their competitor is. I don't know if they have a competitor or who it is, but NVIDIA is the one in the space that if you want to invest in chips. Yeah, AMD is the other one, but like AMD gets no love as the stock market point. Zero love. So I don't know. I probably wouldn't be there. I mean, I would switch away from gaming also. I mean, their bread and butter is going to be in AI and all this AI shit. So that's where I would go. Seems like more money is in that than gaming. That's just my thought. Chips or AI? AI or chips? Finkel is Ihorn. Ihorn is Finkel. Yeah, I listen. I don't know much about it. You know, yeah. Which chips are they going? Which chips are the gamers going to? I'll buy that company. If you know, let me know. If you know, let me in on the secret. I want in. They're switching to AMD. Yeah, I know nothing about the gaming CPUs or anything like that. All right, guys, I'm jumping off. I got to go coach baseball. Um, I'm going to be trading in the Discord tonight, so if you want to come in and trade with us, you know, probably a good spot. That's pretty much it. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you don't, we'll stream again 10:30 and then again at 2. So, peace.